pag-usapin yung list mamaya pagkatapos ng class natin. So, before we proceed to our discussion, if you remember our lesson a while ago, what will we discuss? Anyone? Do you remember what you discussed a while ago? So, nakinig kayo kay Teacher Jamaica. Wala? Yes, ma'am. Very good. A while ago, we discussed about comparing wherein we differentiate or identify the difference between more than, less than, and as many as. So today, before we proceed to our discussion, I am here an activity. So, what is this? A box. Very good. So, inside of this box are the three things that is related to our discussion for today. So, all you need to do is to go here in the front and get everything inside of this box and place it on the Manila paper that I post on the board. Did you understand, class? Yes. So I need only 3 children so that we can proceed now to our next discussion. Anyone please come here in the front?
Nanakot.
So another one po. Wala, i-face na lang siya sa video. Ayun. Thank you for your participation, class. So, as you observe in these pictures, what do you think will be our lesson for today? Yes, very good. We will discuss now about how we can add the single-digit numbers, or how we add the single-digit numbers. So, single-digit numbers are the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So, as you can see, 0 we call it as the smallest single-digit numbers, while the number 9 we call it as a largest or the biggest single-digit numbers, while the number 1 we call it as a smallest counting number. So again, what's the smallest single-digit numbers? 0. Very good. So what's the biggest or the largest single-digit numbers? 9. Very good. So what's the smallest counting numbers? 1. Very good. So let's proceed now. So single-digit numbers, we can express it through numerical form, or we can express single-digit numbers in numerical form by words, blank, and by object. So as you can see here in the example, sa object you can use aside from object you can use also foods or anything else that you can see around your surroundings. So did you understand about this lesson, or before we proceed to this topic? Any question? If not, okay, so do you know how to add single-digit numbers? Yes? Okay, if you know. So let's explore, for you to have a better understanding about our lesson for today, let's explore more about adding single-digit numbers. So, in adding a single-digit numbers, we are commonly use the horizontal and the vertical methods, and we add the terms. So as you can see here, the addends are the numbers to which the process will be applied. The sum are the result of adding the addends, while the plus sign is the sign or the symbol that denotes the addition process. So, for example, so So as you can see here, what are the addends? Very good, the 1 and 2. And what is the sum? 3. Very good. The sum of 1 and 2 is 3. So, again, what is the plus sign? Simple. Again, the plus sign, it denotes the addition process. So, since we have the plus sign, we are going to add 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So, the sum of 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So, another example. So again, what are the addends? 4 and 5. Very good. And what is the sum of 4 and 5? 9. Very good. So, let's proceed naman to vertical method. So, what is the sum of 3 plus 5? 8. Very good. So, paano naman niya kapag hindi na ganito? Paano natin kasi ano pala, sa vertical method, we are using it kapag kapag yung place band, hindi, kapag single digit numbers, kinakailangan nila ng regrouping wherein we can, mas nagagamit natin si vertical method kapag para mas ma-easy natin mahanap yung place value. For example, ganito. Palitan lang natin si 3. So, what is the sum of 5 plus 5? 10. So, bakit 0 lang muna yung nilagay? Paano siya magiging 10? Anong tawag natin dito? Oh, kaya, di ba magiging 10 siya kasi may 1 pa tayong ilinagay sa tama. So, ito yung tinatawag natin na numerator. Okay? So, sorry sir. Again, so that's all for our, may another pa para na akong share na idea how to add single digit numbers. So, do you know what's the addition or the number line addition? Do you have any idea about number line addition? Which is, isa rin yun sa pinaka-easiest na may kapag nagahan tayo ng single digit numbers. So kapag wala, kung wala, ganito lang siya. So, paano natin gamitin si number line addition? So, what is the sum of 3 plus 3? 6. Very good. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito, we are start to count in the number 3. So, bibilan lang tayo ng tatlo, which is 1, 2, and 3. So, the sum of 3 plus 3 is equals to lang 2, 6. Very good. So, do you understand our lesson for today, class? Yes. Pagkatapos na naintindihan. Again, what is the smallest single digit numbers? 0. Very good. What is the largest single digit numbers? 9. And what is the smallest counting numbers? 1. So what are the two methods that we are commonly used in adding single digit numbers? The vertical and vertical. Very good. So, for your activity,